Hi and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about replacing hood struts on a Porsche front hood. So let's get started. Okay, so what we want to do is take a very thin flathead screwdriver and you're going to want to pry it in this little area right here in order to remove this hood strut that we're going to replace. But this is the first step, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and use my other hand and get back to the... Okay, and this is what it looks like after you've successfully removed this piece. It doesn't take that much strength to do it. You certainly don't want to be real rough with it, but it just pops off. And so I'm going to work on this and then try to film the next part. Okay, so it just takes a little bit of pulling on this top part. Just pull this back. It does take a little bit of pulling, a little bit of effort, but not too much because you don't want to scratch your paint here. Okay, now I've got the new one on the top rung of the hood strut, and I am about to replace the bottom one. I'm about to take this old piece off. It just kind of comes off really simple. Tossing that one aside, and I'm going to try to see if I can get this to line up. Don't know if I can film it. Okay, so altogether that was pretty easy. I mean, if you're using the thin screwdriver to remove this top part, that's, you know, the most delicate part. Then you just pop that off, and then this part, just as you saw, just easily came off, and then you just kind of pop it on there, right back on that little ball joint right there. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to do the other side now and make sure it works perfect. And here we have it. A really nice shock. It has not stayed up in so long, I forgot what it was like. It's pretty easy to replace, so no sense in not doing it. Anyway, please subscribe, like the video. Thank you for watching.